Hello and welcome to this non-verbal reasoning question. In this particular question we have a pair of shapes and we have to find the matching pair for this shape out of these 5 answers. In order to find the matching pair for this, we need to find out what's going on here between the two. What is the relationship between the two, and how is this shape changing into, how has this shape changed from this shape? When I looked at this question, I looked very carefully and I saw that it seemed like this shape is the same shape as this. However, it just turns clockwise 90 degrees to the left. So if you were to turn this clockwise, if you were to take this arrow and drag it all the way here and all the shape was to follow it, the whole shape, if you were to turn it to the left 90 degrees, then it turns into this shape. And if you look very carefully, yes, all of those little things do change alongside, they remain the same. So in a similar way, if we was to take this shape and rotate it 90 degrees and to the left here in a clockwise direction, we can see that it will be one of these answers, and you have to look very carefully to find out what the answer could be. Now I had a look and I can see straight away that if that was to be moved here, I can see that this shape here, which would end up looking like this shape here. So it could either be A, D or E. Now you have to look very carefully at the remaining shapes as well, because obviously if this was to be moved up here, this line ends up at the bottom, and so as you can see, this line ends up at the bottom. That's the one. It could be A. That's slightly different because it's a slightly different shape, so it's not D, and it could be E because that's the shape that we're looking for. This is really a process of elimination to see what other parts of the shape change as you rotate this. So now I'm looking at this end here. It sort of goes, twists down and then sort of up. And as you can see, we said it could be A, but that one doesn't have that shape. It doesn't it doesn't go continually in this manner. That is the answer. The answer is E. Now you have to look very carefully. Is it really a case of process of elimination to find out which of these shapes is this one but rotated? You have to look very carefully. I hope you managed to get the answer. Good luck with the other questions. Take care. Bye bye.